So it's looking like I have to clean out the refrigerator. Look at this, y'all. I don't like the refrigerator like that. That's how you know you are super busy and don't have time to do a lot. Yeah, y'all. Let's get to cleaning the refrigerator. At least neaten it up. I was looking for this bowl. Okay, so I'm just using I got some bleach on here. Just wiping down the refrigerator, y'all. Alright, y'all, so this is the after. We got rid of a whole lot of stuff. I tend to overbuy, and we really didn't even need anything. So like I said, I got rid of a whole lot of stuff. And this cleaner is brighter. Try to keep up with this, y'all. Maybe it's a reminder for you guys to clean out your refrigerators.